Boston Quality Cleaning Services has provided Modernista exceptional service for over 2 years. All of our expectations are always met. Our workspace is very old with all hardwood floors and many white walls, and we occupy 3 floors, which covers a large space, 22,400 square feet. This is no small feat, but Boston Quality Cleaning Services has managed the job with ease and professionalism. They're friendly, easy to work with, discreet, trustworthy. They have honest suggestions, are always efficient, timely, accommodating, and extremely flexible so as to meet our needs. I would recommend them to any company that requires personalized and friendly service. Sincerely, Lisa Mullaney, Office Manager, Modernista.
So we're here in Reading with Mr. Carmen. Mr. Carmen is the owner of Venetian Moon Restaurants, this gorgeous restaurant here in Reading, and he would like to comment about Boston Quality Cleaning Services work.
We've been using quality cleaning for the last 3 years since we expanded the restaurant downstairs. He's extremely reliable, on time. Anytime there are special needs in the restaurant, such as a broken pipe or water leaks, he's down within an hour or so to handle the problem. He'll sanitize the areas. We've had comments from the health inspectors from the town of Reading that this is the cleanest restaurant in the city of Reading. We've had many comments from customers how clean the restaurant is when they come in. Sometimes you'll get an odor from rugs and other odors from restaurants, and they just can't believe that how clean the restaurant is.
And that's very important for the restaurant, you know, for keep the customers coming back, right? You know, they judge the restaurant based on the cleanliness.
That's right. That's the first thing they do when they come in. They'll see how clean the place is, and they'll notice if there's any unfamiliar odors in the restaurant that will tip them off that maybe the rugs aren't so clean or the bathrooms aren't so clean. But that's never the case with Gene. Everything is done to perfection. He washes our rugs, he maintains the restaurant, and I couldn't ask for anything more from Gene in this company. I think it's probably and we've used other companies through the years. I've been in business since 1972 with different restaurants, and Gene by far is superior to all. And I would recommend them to anybody.
Wow. Well, in the restaurant business, here's a quick question. This economy, which is really like bad, and what about Boston Quality Cleaning Service, you know, affordability?
Affordability is well within our budget range, and he's very, I don't know what else to say about that. He's just, the affordability is great. For the amount of cleaning that's done in the restaurant and the quality of the cleaning, it's well worth it.
Wow, that's great.
Well worth it.
Wow.
And he's trustworthy. He's got my keys to my restaurant, he's got my codes on my alarm system.
This is perfect,
and
yeah.
There are many times I come in and I'll find a $20 or a $10 bill sitting on the bar that his customers, and that's just the truth, that his workers had found during the course of the cleaning, and that'll leave them on top of the bar for us. So
wow.
That's a great plus.
That's a very big plus.
Very good.
Thanks so much, Mr. Carmen.
Oh, my pleasure. Anything I can do for Gene, I will.
Wow, that's great.
You
That's
are
great.
the best, Gene.
Wow.